Hi friends, I am Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime new release 1.1.4 new updates. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more in future updates. Now let's see Tally Prime release 1.1.4 key highlights. First one is TCS updates as per budget 2020. Next, e-invoice sandbox experience. Next, product improvement. Finally, license issue resolved in release 1.1.4. Now let's see TCS updates as per the budget 2020. In this release, we can able to calculate TCS either realization or accrual basis. Next, we can give TCS exemption for buyers deducting TDS. Next, TCS exempt for government listed buyers. Ledgers without PAN number, separate report is given under TCS report. There is a flexibility to configure TCS in sales ledger or stock items. We can able to generate TCS report 27 EQ. Now we can able to calculate TCS in sales invoice recorded against an advance receipt. This is a major updates release 1.1.4. In this release, we can able to experience e-invoice generation in sandbox. Now let's see product improvement in this release 1.1.4. First one, print, export and email quick configure option is given the right hand side button bar. Preview before print. This was an issue in release 1.1.3. It is fixed in this release. Now we can able to print company logo in payment and receipt also. Quick access to tax analysis and stock query. Separate button is given the right hand side button bar in the name of related reports. Day-wise breakup given for voucher register. Now we can able to filter negative cash in cash book report. These are the major product improvement in this release. One more update related to licensing. License switch to education mode. It was showing in earlier release 1.1.3 unable to access the configured Tally gateway server. That issue is fixed in this release 1.1.4. Now let's see Tally Prime latest release updated features after upgrading release 1.1.4. Once open Tally Prime application, the right hand side button bar top of the corner, you can able to see F1 help. In this list, click on upgrade option. Here you can see the latest release available 1.1.4. Current release we are using 1.1.3. Before upgrade you need to make sure what are the latest updates available in this release 1.1.4. Before upgrading to latest release, kindly take the backup, then click on upgrade and proceed. Here we can see the three options. If you want to see the release note, click on enter, or if you want to download, you can click on download, or if you want to update, click on update now. Now we are going for update. Click on update. It is showing confirmation message. Application will be installed. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. Next you need to log in administrator rights to continue this process. Click on restart yes. In administration rights, click on update. Updation process started. Once process is over, we can able to see there is one option, start Tally Prime application. Once application is loaded, by default selected predefined company. Here we can check that update status. Click on update status. We can see 1.1.4 is we are using now. Now let's see some key features in latest release 1.1.4. From the Gateway of Tally screen, we are going to enable TCS option in F11 features. In this screen, we need to feed that TCS registration information and save the screen. From the Gateway of Tally screen, click on create option. There you can see the TCS nature of goods. Click on enter. We can able to create TCS nature of goods here. In this screen only some changes given here. If you want to create nature of goods manually, you can create it. Otherwise, you need to get help option. Click on help. There it will show you the list of options. There we need to select. In this screen, we are going to select consideration of sales for any other goods. Section by default will come. Here there is option. Tax calculation based on realization. We need to make it yes based on the realization if you are going to calculate. Then there is a threshold limit. We can able to fix the limit. Define tax percentage and save the screen. Next, tax report. From the go to option itself, if you type 27 EQ, there is a report, TCS report. We can able to find out the TCS report we can generate here. Same report option from the Gateway of Tally screen. Click on Display Statutory Report. There we need to click on TCS report. Click on Form 27EQ. Now we can able to generate the report in text file as per the budget changes. Under TCS report, we can able to see a Challan reconciliation Form 27EQ, written transaction books, TCS outstanding, ledger without PAN number, TDS Challan details for buyers. Now let's see product development features. From the Gateway of Tally screen, we are clicking on transaction. We are in sales transaction. The right hand side you can see there is a related report. One more option is given. If you want to access tax analysis and stock query, click on Alt O or related reports. List of option there, GST analysis, TCS analysis and stock query option is there. Once click on stock query, you can easily access this report from the transaction level itself. Now let's see the printing configuration update. In the voucher, I'm going to print this invoice. We can see right hand side button bar, number of copies printed, title, print format, pre-printed paper, pages to print. Cash book monthly summary, there is an option base of value. In that we can able to filter so negative balance only. In upcoming session we will see individual features wise detail information. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.